1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, I got hot brass on me. I got hot brass.
Yeah, you know I can't take this early off, I ain't got time to waste. You know they can't catch me at no lights, I ain't got time to wait. Fish all in my lungs, I guess that's why my people's dilated. Niggas ain't on none, that's why them pussy boys just lie awake. Put my mind on something, that's why the numbers tend to multiply. I can't do no driving 7 hours, me I'm in the sky. Chillin' Delta Lounge, you walk in, they like who know this guy. You niggas ain't on none, man. Niggas ain't on none.
Alright, man, it's official now. We out and about, man. This is the day boys gonna turn to men. You know what the fuck time it is, man. We got a series of challenges. The main thing of today is everyone's going to be safe. Everyone's gonna do their thing. You know, we're gonna have some fun with it. We're gonna get some shots up. We're gonna see between these two who the worst shot is. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna practice safety, you know what I'm saying? Fingers not on triggers unless we downrange. No guns pointed at each other. Actually, we decided, we did a poll. If these two were 50 yards away, I've been saying this, 50 yards apart from each other, unloaded 2 full magazines, we believe they would not hit each other. And today, we will test that theory.
I don't know what the fuck this dude talking about. Sound deadly, dog.
You want to hit all your targets?
I mean,
you John Wick today?
Cause look, if we do that challenge, JC won't be here tomorrow.
We are in Afghanistan.
Guys, welcome to Afghanistan. We're gonna not disclose the location, but whatever location we're at, it is very legal to do everything we're doing, including drums, extendos, mags, fully. You get the point. First item.
Hold on.
Oh,
Gotta open up.
oh, G-boy. First item, we got a little vacuum.
I don't know if it's gonna make it out of here.
Okay,
It didn't even make it
that
out the
was
trunk.
fun.
It didn't even make it
This is
out
gonna
the
be our
trunk.
holder for these targets. So
Wait, not the
don't-
prize possession.
Don't
stool,
shoot it.
bro.
Look, this is a family heirloom. Who gonna fuck it up, man? We need a seat.
Somebody shooting that stool, bro.
Nah,
There's
don't
gonna be a bullet hole in that bitch. Bro, I can use that. What the fuck are you doing?
No,
Bro, I
we
can
finna
use that.
it. We finna use it, all right. Boom. Record player.
Shooting the wire.
Tor, you gonna like this. I was supposed to sell this on OfferUp, but instead,
No!
Live a little. Live a little.
What did I ever do to you?
It's
a camera.
biodegradable. It's called composting. Learn about
Yo,
it.
when did that camera come out? Like
Another one.
78?
Boom. We
Is
got
that
the
a speaker?
Speaker knocker.
Oh my goodness, bro. This
Ooh,
is
you know
such
I got a
waste.
bad pee.
You look nice though.
Hey, watch
Use
this.
That shit kind of hurt. I'm a suit.
Charge go. I'm about to come pick you up, boy. Hey, watch out. Where you going, bro? Where you going, bro? Hey, is here good? Or should I move up a little? Should I move up a little?
Bro, there's a bunch of the bush under the car. We gotta remove it.
Oh shit! I'm about to just bring it back to him like this, like that.
No, get your ass over there, bro. We gotta get the stuff. I'm not carrying that.
This is how you fucking off-road, alright? Bro, you got like a whole ass bush under there. Hold on.
Watch out! Oh, watch out! I can't get you. Just keep going for a ride, boy.
You try to hold, bro.
Yeah!
Don't worry, my brother does this professionally. Woo! Smooth landing. Oh wait, woo! Smooth landing or what? Don't worry, I do this professionally. Woo wee! Oh, that was fun.
Hey, no, go get the stuff.
No, I'll just carry that shit over.
Alright.
It's light. For me.
It's not light. It wasn't light. It's not light. Fool's lugging it on his legs. Hold the pin.
Are my glasses tilted? Should I light it up real quick?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, you got it.
We're not here to play around, boys. Fucking evil laugh. You heard that shit? Alright, you guys. Playtime is over. We didn't just come out here to dick around, man. We came out here to have some legitimate challenges and see who really is the sure shot. So first challenge we got here, man. See my coffee from earlier?
Did you finish it though?
This is now target number 1. Each person gets 1 shot for the first round. I repeat, one shot. Jay Sizzle has no chance of hitting it. Zakib, no chance. I should probably shoot last so that y'all got something to shoot at.
Nah. You gotta go first.
I don't like his attitude, bro. He's cocky as hell today, bro. He's so cocky. He low-key don't know I know how to shoot.
JC, you looking like an Iranian woman. You about to get
Iranian
killed,
woman?
son.
Kimbo?
Put him up. There you go. There you go.
What up, bitch? Talking shit in the comment section?
Yeah, why?
Yeah, bitch. Come on.
Y'all in the comments, man. Y'all better be careful. Y'all thought we was playing about them blicks. We wasn't. All right, where's a good start point?
You know that's too far, bro.
Yeah, that's hella far.
You gotta be challenged, bro. Oh, by the way, so today we'll be featuring the Glock 19 Gen 3 and the pussy ass XD9. This is my boy Springfield Armory.
Two-tone.
You got yours, honey?
Hey, let him know about the two-tone, though.
I got that thing on.
That's one tone. You see two colors here?
One tone, two tone. Now, why do I have the flashlight on it? Because it's cool. I want viewers to watch this. I'll probably take it off eventually, though. All right, so first up is JC. We want to make sure these targets last, so we're gonna have JC shoot, then we're gonna have Sakibi shoot, then Tori, then
we going
Rizzy TG. All right, so starting with the XD9, let's get it.
Nah, let's see
Fuck, bro.
One shot.
Zero.
Okay,
I feel like it was kind of close.
Next up,
Hey, let's
Sakibi.
go.
Gun safety, y'all.
Shoot that bitch.
Zero.
All right. Only need one bullet. I like the extendo. You put one bullet in the extendo as well. Hey, get on the line. Don't start cheating. Right. Don't start cheating, buddy. Don't make me have to clean up.
Zero.
He wanted to shoot again. What the fuck? Matter of fact, I'm taking the flashlight off. I don't want it to affect my accuracy.
Oh my God.
You know what I'm saying? I gotta. Don't be questioning Tori like
I
that.
feel like we're too far.
Hell no. Too far for what, big boy? Oh, wind. A lot of wind.
Hey!
Come on now, let the wind. The wind was not like this when y'all was shooting, bro. Yeah, on God.
Hey,
That's nothing. That's nothing.
round two. We gotta go round two.
Hey, everyone gets 2 shots now. Everyone gets 2 shots now.
Are y'all ready for this?
Yup.
There's like 80 mile an hour winds right now, but that don't faze me.
Yeah, the wind's a problem. Let's go, Sakib. Let's go, Kibby.
Oh, that's fucking windy.
Excuses.
Oh!
I was left.
Feel so close.
Yup. There you go. Hey, I think you're supposed to suck on it.
Why are you
I
gay?
think you're supposed to suck on it, bro.
You are gay.
Bro, I swear to God, I'm angry at this shit. I don't know. And I can't really tell if I'm left, if I'm right, if I'm back, if I'm up. I don't know.
You wanna try that? Try it. I hit the shit!
Oh, you hit that shit!
Oh, no.
Amateur.
Hell no.
Yo,
Come
who
on,
you
really
saying was gonna hit that shit?
I was close. Bro, come on. Come on, how much closer could you get? Bro, I was right by it.
Nah, you missed it though.
Bro, give me one more shot, bro. I hit it. Oh my goodness.
No.
You really don't like that chair, huh? That's impressive though.
Execution.
Did you miss? Yo, get it.
I didn't miss. You got it. Yeah, okay. Bro,
You got both?
Not twice. Yeah, I was like, wait.
Hey, you shooting the world?
It's a through and through. Not twice. Oh yeah, let's get something juicy. Maybe something a little bigger. We need some rocks. Oh, wait, I fell over.
Oh shit.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
Bro, you looking like a Hebrew salmon fish.
I taught Blake Griffin how to dunk. Oh yeah. Hey, wait, look. Yeah, okay, so we figured it out. Entry, right? Exit, down low. So I'm so skilled, I aimed for this stool and perfectly hit it. Now, is this thing still gonna hold up though? Like, can you still sit on it? That's solid. All right, we have the box shot. Over there we have our box, and over here we have our shot.
Yeah.
Bulk shot.
Hey man, this bitch right here. This wind got me fucked up. Oh, I got that bitch. Oh, I got that bitch. I got that bitch on the side.
No, you didn't.
I got it on the side.
Hold on, look at this.
Oh, I didn't get shit.
No, bro, it would show if you hit it. Missing bullies.
I got it on the side. All right, JC, hit the box.
Hey, did he hit it?
No, hit the box.
What the fuck is this?
We're back with our box shot.
Ah, shit, bro, that shit's small. Y'all couldn't find a smaller box?
It becomes small as soon as you start shooting, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you hit it.
I did?
Wait, look. You didn't hit shit. All right, Tori, your turn.
Is he capping, bro?
What's it? All right.
Box
Mr.
versus
Box.
man.
Nah, fine. Bro, I think it's the win, bro.
Yeah, okay, look, the pre-excuses. Oh!
I think you got it.
Gotcha.
Yep, we have a hit. I think you curved the bullet.
Hey, this guy's like unwanted.
All right, Travi.
Nervous or what? I feel like one hand's easier, not gonna lie.
No,
Swear to God.
oh, I see it.
That's light.
That's right.
Gotcha.
Yeah! We keep it on us! We keep it on us! Blicky Brothers. Blicky Brothers. Yeah, you see Blicky Brothers. All right, so you gotta hit that shit.
I'm hitting that shit.
You gotta hit that shit!
Okay, so when you guys are aiming.
Oh,
you
okay,
guys
let me get the
give me
tutorial.
a
You wanna just squeeze it. Be surprised when that bullet comes out.
Yo, Trav, you use one eye or both?
Both.
Dude, that's what it
me
is,
get the
bro.
other
I've been
eye.
doing one eye.
You can see it.
Press forward, yep.
Gotcha.
Oh, I got it.
You see
That's
that?
my
You see
coaching.
that?
That's my coaching. Come on, one little coaching session.
Hey, so JC, technically you did shoot the worst.
You gotta be objective.
All right,
Like
JC.
this, right? I'm on that cartel shit, right? What's
Let's
up,
go, buddy.
bitch?
Too
Oh
long for
damn,
the
I
aim.
was doing the one eye though. Both eyes.
Don't just shoot it again, bro.
Bro, did that not hit it?
No,
Wait.
I know. 1, 2. No, JC, you still suck.
JC, you're still trash. You still can't shoot, JC.
Watch out, let him get out the range.
I don't think that one hit either.
That fucking high, bro.
0.
Bro, it's low. What the fuck's going on, bro? You're a terrible coach.
Goddamn,
Not hit it
JC.
once? Why are you talking shit?
JC, look, I'm gonna show you how to shoot something, boy.
Every time.
No, I didn't.
Hey, don't
You only
yell
got-
as I do.
I only hit it 3 times.
Hey, JC, you gotta hit the box, bro. Just fucking point blank that bitch.
Yeah, point blank.
Yeah.
Here, here's a bullet, bro.
That's cheating though.
Hey, do
Nah.
it sideways. Do it sideways.
Yeah, do it sideways. Just make sure you hit that motherfucking box.
Yeah, JC just needs to get one under his belt. Just feel the target. It's like getting the
You think this is close enough though? Bro,
Did you hit it?
I think I missed.
0.
Maybe it's the gun though. I would say
I hit it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I for sure hit it.
you hit it the first time for sure.
Hey, did I not hit it?
0. Mag dump.
Kill confirmed.
Pick up the GoPro.
Where you want me to aim at? Where you want me to aim at on the box?
That was close.
I think JC shit bad. Hey JC, is something wrong with your gun?
It's defective.
I think I did hit it once though. I don't know. Try! Damn. Hey, what the fuck? Bro, when did this happen? Is that you right now?
Nah, you probably kicked it off.
Nah, hell straight. Bro, what you mean I can't? It's not even on the floor. It's over here. Bro.
We'll watch back the footage.
Who did this
We'll
shit?
watch back the footage.
Who did? Yeah, tell him. Was this you, JC?
Hey, you started it.
You trash. Try! Shoot this.
The same color as your shirt.
Really?
Yeah, bro. It's at home. It's
That's why I got a Toyota.
Stop the fucking cab.
Camry. Limited edition.
Yeah, you look more like a Prius guy, man.
Yeah, bro. You know it is what it is, though. Gas is $7 a gallon. I got my blicky with me, and that's all that matters. All right, T-Sizzle's ready.
All right, challenge number 2. We'll stay at 50 yards because some of us need a little bit of practice. By the way,
by some you mean charge go.
Huh?
By some you mean charge go.
Charge go needs a lot more practice, so we're gonna stay at 50 yards, but we have a new target. JC, if only you were shooting, you'd be able to take this home and be able to use it afterward.
Then we're not wasting things, right?
Yeah, that's true.
I can reuse it.
Wow.
Good dog.
Look at this guy.
All right, who's up? JC, you gotta shoot first, bro.
Yeah, you gotta shoot.
He just don't wanna waste his ammo.
Hey, it's a waste if he shoots it anyway, so fuck. You wanna fuck?
You gonna get fucked up.
You ain't hitting shit.
Imagine I hit it from here, like first shot.
That would be great.
So like actually though, like how do you know if you're supposed to keep it like up here, down here?
What?
I line up the sights to the target. Is that what you're supposed to do?
All right, so challenge number 2. First up, and now we're at 75 yards. First up, Jay Sizzle.
All right, y'all. So basically, what you have to do, you gotta point it at the target, and then you gotta fire like this.
Try!
I'm gonna do that shit one more time with both eyes open.
You got 2 more shots. You got 2 more.
Okay, that was
You
low,
gonna
that
shoot
was
this
low.
dude.
You know, he ain't got nothing else in the mag. Another mag.
Oh shit!
Oh, you got 2 rounds in your mag.
Don't even worry about it, big dog. I stay strapped.
Yeah, you look like a lesbian.
I know.
He's strapped up.
All right.
Hey, that was close. That was close.
I know what to do now. I know what to do now.
All right, remember what I taught you, bro.
I got you.
Remember what I taught you.
I'm finna hit that shit, Tori.
Yeah, you gotta hit some. You gonna hit some today, JC.
Bozo.
Shoes gonna shoot, bitch.
I taught you.
Damn, bro. Every single time I'm trying to like focus my eyes.
Oh, yeah, let's go, T-Sizzle.
That's a San Dorito boy.
Bang!
Imagine he hit it.
Wait, that was a waste. Wait. I only need one. You know.
Put your ass out.
Why are you gay?
Now it's pulling left. Pull it with bottom left.
What's up, bitch? All right, now you go use one hand. Wait, what?
The wind pushed it.
You missed?
Shut
What
up.
happened to the rock?
I think the rock fell off.
Oh, I shot the rock.
Nah.
This is so far.
I know, bro.
Let's go, JC! Let's go, JC! Damn, bitch!
Close, hey, get that. Hey.
It's kind of windy, you know?
Yeah.
It's a little windy. Sheesh. How did I not hit that shit yet? Like, this is crazy.
It's not just me, huh?
I don't know why that
It's
shit
not
not
just
going.
me,
It's not
huh?
going straight, bro. And I can't see where I'm missing. That's really what it is. That was way left.
What you mean way left, pussy?
Oh!
You are gay.
Thought I hit it. Fuck me.
Middle.
I got one more, losers.
Should I like film from here?
Yeah. Got it.
Got it!
Let's go.
Yeah, that's pretty clean. Where'd it hit? Bro, are you lying again? Bro.
Stand back.
Everybody stand back.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I got hot brass on me. I got hot brass on me.
Fuck!
My bad. I know it was startling. My fault. The hot brass went right down my shirt.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, was it from your gun or Shakib's?
Shakib's, no, it launched up and landed on me. I'm like out here screaming and shit. I'm like, no! the brass hit my collarbone too, and it was burning.
God damn, bro. I'm right here.
All right, guys, you gotta practice for everything. You gotta try to make things as practical as possible. So you never know when someone's down and they need more round. This is
Wow, this guy's a fucking poet.
oh, it's just making little baby holes. Hey, honestly, I really thought that would have torn it up. But by the way, chamber clear. I thought it would have torn it up, but really it just makes small holes. That's the most damage I had all day. oh, that thing is hard. We are going to shoot the camera today, though. Yeah, it's getting shot. All right, guys, round, what are we on? Is it round 3, 4? Official round 3, not the sub rounds within the rounds. We will now be getting this record player shot. Now, this is going to be very visible when we shoot it because it has so many moving parts. Let's go! All right, man, record player, shout out to Audio Technica, man, it's got to go.
All right, who's gonna be the one to hit it?
I mean, I want y'all to have some fun, so I don't want to shoot first. So the next challenge, Shakib versus record player.
I feel like my aim, trust me, it is getting better. I think it's on my squeeze where it tilts.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the main
little
thing.
shake.
It's literally on the squeeze.
It's called the flinch.
Ah, the motherfucking flinch. Y'all ready for this?
I hope so. Wait, are you dead ass with the stance right now, bro? I didn't even realize. Bro, we went over stuff.
I know.
And then you just stand and you just bring out your own little stance. I never even seen nobody shoot like that. That cinematic shit. Target still standing.
I swear, I feel like I hit it.
I love my wife. I love my wife. Let's go ride a bike with my wife.
Look at Charles go in the cut. Look at Charles go in the cut.
I just need to refuel a little bit.
Yeah, you're hungry. That's why I was getting you.
Finally!
Hey!
Yeah! Marksman! 1 out of 80! Marksman!
Alright, let's see the damage. He hit it. Yup, through and through. Did it go out the backside? Yup.
Wow.
And it broke through the backside.
Hey, it went out the back.
It only took him 10 shots.
Listen, Popeye's chicken sandwich out here in shit slaps. You get that shit in the valley, bro? In LA, it's just trash, bro. They reuse their oil. They use nice oil out here, bro.
That's not good.
I would totally live out here. I bet I could find a good Samoan girl. She won't give me no problems, bro. You feel me?
Yeah.
You gonna put her on the bed like this?
Nah, she'd probably throw me on the bed like that.
How many shots is it gonna take you?
I don't know, but if you see some shit that's like fucked up in my form, let me know. I'm actually trying to
everything, JC.
Huh?
Hey, let him know.
Yeah!
Downrange. Hey! No, bro, you're gonna hit the stool. Bro, it's so windy now, what the fuck?
Hey, but you saw how I took that shit down, right?
No, JC, no.
Tell me what's going through your mind right now.
Hey, JC, go
Who
for
are
a
you
walk,
picturing?
clear his head. 4! Which way is the wind? It's like going like this way, huh? Like, I'm gonna curve that bitch.
Alright. 0 for 1. One for 2. One for 4.
What?
0 for 1.
Gotcha.
Hey.
1 for 2. Well, oh, 2 for 4. Okay.
Hey, but we both had the same shot. That's fucked up. We both missed the first one.
Shit dismantled.
Sorry, it's probably showing this. All right, so we got that. Hold up here. Little disc got some.
Hey.
There's only one way to be certain that this thing is really put down.
100%. Let's see.
Only one way. Yeah, I think it's good.
I think it needs one more.
Reload back. There you go. Now get this.
Come on, all I'm saying, JC gotta hit some.
Bro, that's the thing. I'm not trying to damage nothing. Like, that just messed up.
All right, guys. Next challenge, we're making it a little tougher, and we have something that won't fall over on its own. We have a speaker. It looks like it's a desk type speaker. I think it's going to make a great use for some heat seekers. So we're gonna give it a run, see who gets it. Corey, go on, come on. Oh, come,
Oh, no head.
Oh, I got a bad pinky. I guess I don't want to. Hey, charge us a little down, guys. So we gotta pump him up a little bit.
There's a snake in my boot.
Cut that. Ah, no, I'm playing. So, official challenge number 4. Let's get the target set. Don't hit my stool. I'm just trying to cheer you up, bro. How you got Saki whooping you out here?
Hey, what's
got
that
key
supposed to
versus
mean, man?
We could shoot stuff on my iPhone.
All right, Charge, go. You shooting it first, big boy.
Yeah, you gotta hit some shit, man.
Yeah, come on,
This
man.
is gonna be the best target for you too, cause it's small. Yeah, that bush. Don't pass the bush. You can be on the line. Yeah, right there.
Oh. Yeah, it's weird, huh?
Fuck. Oh, did I hit it? Hold on. No, here.
Nah, fuck that. You didn't hit nothing.
Bro, yeah, you ain't
Who wasting time? You ain't hit shit. What you running over there for?
JC, don't distract me, alright? You on the.
Nope. Oh! Oh, hey, take that out the chamber. Take it out the chamber. Oh, no. This boy is sick. Well,
I scraped
I think you may have just shot the stool. I'll be honest. Wait up, my bad. All right, we're not seeing any actual impact.
There's
Yeah,
nothing.
let the
Look.
Bro, I low-key had a feeling that you hit by it.
What did you hit?
All right. What?
Hey.
Little guys out here, man. You know, bring my sons out to the range. Just having some fun, you know, not taking it too serious.
Alright, let's see if you hit this one, alright, bitch. Hey. Hater.
I hit that shit. What the fuck?
No, you did. Alright?
Someone's gonna hit it. We're gonna go till someone hits it. Hey!
Yeah, you said someone.
Hey! Hey, that's I have to do this right down the middle.
Hey.
Damn, JC! Yeah, now that's what a hit looks like.
God
That's
damn.
a hit. What the?
We gotta get a clean shot. Someone's gotta do it right in the middle.
Bro, that was right in the middle. Round 2.
Finish him.
Are you warming up?
Yeah, that's just a warm up. I need more bullets though.
Oh, you bitch. Stop shooting the stool, bro.
Bruh.
Jay Scissor. Watch this, buddy. Just for you. There we go.
Damn, bro.
Sheesh.
Stop acting like you the man or something. You bitch.
That's what I was telling them. Keep the blicky on me. They thought I was playing. He's not hard. These fucking hollow tips gonna be hard. Yeah. I guess I hit the stool again.
JC over there practicing. Look at him.
Hey, Jason, you just like when there's no target, huh?
I can hit the rocks. I just can't hit a target.
I know that wind be fucking me up.
Fucking wind. Damn. Alright. Fuck the wind, I got this shit.
Feeling kind of discouraged, man. They thought I could shoot. I can't shoot.
Oh, it didn't. It jammed. Oh yeah, that wind is fucking it up. No wonder I can't steady the gun. Whoa! Don't shoot the stool, bro. It's the wind.
Oh yeah.
Stool.
I did get it under the stool though.
Hey bro, we already know you can hit it from here.
Alright, fine.
You gotta step it back. You gotta step it back.
Can he? Nah, bro, but I gotta be able to hit it from back here, bro.
Okay.
It's just if this fucking wind would chill. It's the wind.
You got this, Daddy.
I can't even hold my fucking arm still. God damn. You need help or what?
JC! Show him how it's done, JC! Hey, JC was over there giving us a pep talk.
You know
He's
what?
getting ready.
Hey, Travi.
Bullets, he ready to go.
JC look like one of my aunties.
Hell yeah, which one?
How about I just throw it? Should I just throw it?
Alright, boys. Oh, wait. Got my cute little haircut out. Alright, guys. Don't try this at home. Double akimbo!
I got a showcase to the face.
That was wild. That was wild. My flashlight came off.
I know y'all seen Black Ops 2 and shit.
Hey. That's crazy.
Yo, it's so weird on the left.
Alright, y'all. So we had our fun and no one got hurt. And the stool is still semi-usable.
You can sit on it.
I don't have a mic on.
Sit on it.
I think
Hey,
it's
let
all
me sit
good.
on it.
Sit on it.
I think this will be all good, man. See, still functioning. We had a good time. We'll be returning safely. We hope y'all enjoyed the content. We're definitely gonna cook up more stuff like this, and man, we're gonna have it even more put together. Now we know what to expect, and we're gonna keep coming out here and shooting more content. So if y'all are fucking with this, please let us know. Show us some love in the comments, and let us know how you feel, man. And keep it real.